Here's Fabregas to Messi. And Alexis Sanchez, the Chilean, came from Udinese to Barcelona in the summer. Had an injury, picked up a couple of games into the season. It's his fourth game back of his comeback. First start for Barca, though, since the injury. Dani Alves. And here's Cuenca. And Fabregas. Dani Alves. Monopoly on possession again, and Fabregas is in a good position, and he goes across the base, and there's Sanchez back in, and it comes back off the goalkeeper.
Great cover as well. He was totally aware of what was going on at the back. And he is a decent left foot. He's certainly great on the ball, but his qualities in terms of reading the situation and covering the back four have been excellent in the last couple of attacks.
Here's another unsung Barcelona player, Keita, to one who is quite justly sung about often, Lionel Messi. And Lafita has been around in La Liga for quite a long time. Not a great goal-scoring record, but he got a couple in a shot win against Real Madrid last season.
Deportivo, he did reasonably well, I think.
This is Fabregas. And Sanchez. Villa and Iniesta left on the bench for Barcelona. Messi not, of course, and here's Fabregas through. Good save by Roberto. Pace has really slowed down, hasn't it, since the last set of changes, maybe since the last goal.
See, it's comfortable for Barcelona. They're just going to keep possession, John, and see what happens. And if they get a chance, like now,
and it's Messi, and it's Iniesta, and it dribbles wide.